Good afternoon. Today we're going to be doing a review on the LIFMOCER GS300 3000 amp jump starter.
Dad, my car won't start.
What do you mean it won't start? Use the jump starter I gave you.
I can't use it.
What do you mean you can't use it?
Just come here. I'll show you.
Okay. Well, you got the jump starter right there. Why can't you use it?
I can't squeeze these to get it open.
You can't open it?
No.
Well, here, try this one.
That was much easier.
So as you saw a moment ago, that's how easy it is to use the LIFMOCER GS300. It's a great little jump starter, very simple, very easy to use. When you first plug your booster cables into your LIFMOCER, you will see you get a blue light letting you know that it's connected. Come into your vehicle, connect your red lead to the positive terminal, connect your black lead to the negative terminal. Once you get a green light, you know you're good to start the car. Hey folks, thanks for stopping by the channel today. As you saw in the intro there, my daughter just used this LIFMOCER jump starter to jump start her little Subaru. This is a 3000 amp unit. It's a GS300 model. This is actually big enough to jump start your Ford Super Duty, whether you've got the 6.7 diesel or the 7.3 Godzilla. This unit should be more than capable of jump starting those vehicles for you. I'm kind of a big fan of jump starters in general. I've always carried one in my truck. So when LIFMOCER reached out and asked me if I wanted to demo this, I said, sure, send it over. And I played around with it a little bit, and so far I'm pretty impressed. It came with a nice case. The clamps are decent quality. Now, you saw in the video with my daughter trying to jump start the Subaru in the garage there, she was unable to squeeze the clamps on the other brand jump starter that I had bought for her. So this one isn't quite as stout. So if you've got a young lady or a young man that maybe just doesn't have a lot of grip strength, you might want to consider the LIFMOCER unit instead of one of the others. Pretty standard as far as a jump starter goes. It's got the emergency light. If you push and hold for about 5 seconds here, the light will turn on. And then if you push it again, it starts blinking. And again, it'll blink even faster. So if you're on the side of the road and you need a light, you've got a light. If you need to let somebody know you're in trouble, it's got the SOS mode. And then just, a flasher. So like most other jump starters, it does have, outputs on the end of it here, so you could charge your cell phone off of it if you needed to. They're just really handy to have. In my opinion, everybody should have one in their car. Nobody carries booster cables anymore. Very few, very few people know how to use them, and just in general, people just don't carry them. So being able to self-rescue, so to speak, seems to be the way everybody's going. And so if you're looking for a battery jump starter to jump your Ford Super Duty, not only will it jump start that little Subaru, but this one's big enough to do your Super Duty as well. So if you're looking for a jump starter, make sure you give LIFMOCER a look. There'll be an affiliate link to this in the description of the video below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.